I've always fancied a Naturehike Cloud Up 2. After watching Summit or Nothing for years and watching them put it through its paces up on Dartmoor, and it's even stood up against an MSR tent, and the MSR tent were knackered after it, but the Cloud Up 2, that survived the night. But there were a few little things that have stopped me from buying it, and I think 3FUL Gear have actually sorted these issues out. But first, let's go over some specs, shall we? The fly sheet is made from 15 denier silicon coated nylon, and it's got a hydrostatic head of 5,000 millimeters, which is pretty good for a fly sheet. On the corner peg out points, it's got buckles, so it's easy just to clip in. The floor of the tent is made from a 20D silicon coated nylon, and that's got a 6,000 millimeter hydrostatic head. It comes with either a 3-season inner or a 4-season inner. The 3-season inner is a 20D mesh, and the 4-season inner is a 15D nylon. The inner clips to the poles with ease. You get a free footprint with it, which is 20D sil nylon with a 4,000 millimeter hydrostatic head. It's got YKK zips that don't seem to snag, they run pretty smooth, and 7001 aluminium poles. There's 11 pegs that come with it, and they are the X shape that you get with all the 3FUL tents. And the weight is 1.685 kilograms or 3.7 pounds, which is pretty light for a decent sized 2-person tent. Now let's have a look at some of the differences between this and the Naturehike and what makes this one stand out. Firstly, you'll notice the colour. It's a lovely brown colour. You can also get it in green, blue and white, like a whitey grey colour. You get a choice of having a 4-season inner, which is what I've got here, which has this nylon halfway up and then mesh at the top for ventilation. Oi, come here. Fendi, come here. Come sit here. There you go. It's got a bit of extra material where the sides peg out, which gives you a bit of a storage area underneath. It's got an extra guy out point on the front here, and also behind the guy out points it has some velcro tabs that fasten to the poles for extra strength. Now the big reason why I decided to get this tent and not the Naturehike Cloud Up 2 is because of ventilation. Now the Naturehike Cloud Up 2 only has one vent at the back of the tent, but this one has one at the back and here at the front, which makes sense really, because if you've got all your gear here and if it's bad weather outside and you want to cook here in the vestibule, although you're not supposed to, then you've got some ventilation at least at the top here to let all the steam and whatnot out and fumes, so it's not going to get soaking inside the tent if you decide to boil some water in it. Plus the ventilation, with it being end to end, is pretty decent. It should have decent airflow through it. And the other main reason why I got it is because the inner halfway up connects to the outer fly where the guy out point is, and that pulls it out, so that gives you more shoulder room inside the tent. There you can see there it's clipped to the outer there, so it pulls it out, and also there, so that pulls that out, and then you get more of an arch inside the tent. And then you've got the outer vent down there, but it's not gonna cause you any breezy problems because of the nylon there. It also clips on there, so you can see it's really pulling this out. So there you go. You see I've got loads of room at that side and loads of room at that side. I've got loads of headroom in the centre here. Probably got about a foot above me here. But you want to see me laid down in it, don't you? Come on then. Our Fenzel's already laid down. Let me get to this end. Right, so that's my feet more or less touching at that side and laid down got a little bit of room there. They say that it's 210 centimeters long, which is so many inches. And at this top end, Fendi, come here, stay there, good girl. At this top end is 140 centimeters, which is so many inches, and at the bottom end where your feet are is 115 centimeters and so many inches. And the height of the tent in the middle is 119 centimeters, which is so many inches. There's a hook there for your lantern. There's also storage pouch up there, and there's also another pocket here by the door, which the Naturehike doesn't have. This bathtub floor is really quite tall. You know, it's 2 hand widths tall, so I don't know what that is. I've also heard people complaining about drafts from the door from the Naturehike Cloud Up 2, because it's on the Naturehike one, it's all mesh on the door, and then it's got like a panelling same as this on the sides, but this, the 4-season inner on this has panelling all the way around. The 3-season version, the 3-season inner should I say, is just mesh from the bathtub all the way up. But I wouldn't recommend that for the UK. You'd probably get away with it in the hottest days of the year, which we probably get about 2 weeks worth. But otherwise I'd go for the 4-season inner, and you can get this from Collins Outdoors. The 4-season version is £169 and the 3-season version is £155. They also sell the 1-person version there, so if that's what you're after, if you're after something a bit smaller, then you can get that from there. Only thing I've got to do now is take it up onto hills and test it out and see if it's any good or not. Thanks for watching.